What's up guys, Firewolf here, unboxing the 14-inch M3 Max MacBook Pro in the space black color. I had the M3 Pro 16-inch version for 2 months, but it's time I switched to the smaller but more powerful 14-inch version. The M3 Max starts at $3,199 and comes with a 14-core CPU, 30-core GPU, 36GB of unified memory, and a 1TB SSD. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I'm close to my first 10,000 followers, and I love each and every one of you. As always, Apple makes unboxing a great experience, and this space black is fire. I said the same thing when I unboxed the 16-inch version, and it still stays true. It's noticeably lighter, and I love how compact it is. Who would have thought 2 inches was going to be a huge difference? Taking a closer look, on the left side of the MacBook, we have a MagSafe 3 charging port, 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. While on the right side, we have an HDMI 2.1 port, another USB-C Thunderbolt 4 port, and finally an SDXC slot. Further inside the box, we get a black MagSafe cable which matches your new space black MacBook. A simple quick start guide and some black Apple logo stickers are tucked inside. And finally, we get a 96-watt USB-C power adapter if you get either the M3 Pro or M3 Max version. Alright, now that we have the box out of the way, let's quickly set this up. Opening up the MacBook automatically fires it up, and this screen just looks so good. To start off, select your language, then country. Accessibility settings are optional if you need them. Connect to your Wi-Fi, and then you're greeted with details about data and privacy, which Apple takes very seriously. You then have a migration assistant to quickly transfer from another Mac or even PC. I personally never use this feature. Next, you'll have the option to sign in with your Apple ID if you want to take full advantage of Apple services like iCloud or iMessages. We're going to have to set the terms and conditions whether you like it or not. Then you can customize your computer account. We're going with Firewolf, and of course, I'm going to customize the picture with a wolf emoji. And don't forget to subscribe. After that, you can choose to enable to share your location, analytics, screen time, and Siri. Last step is to set up Touch ID, which is one of my favorite features since typing in a password all the time is annoying. Hold up, I forgot the last thing is to choose your MacBook's look with either light, dark, or automatic. We're going with dark. And that's it, setup is very easy. The M3 series 14-inch MacBook Pro will come standard with a 14.2-inch liquid retina XDR display, and let me tell you guys, this display is beautiful. The resolution of 3024 by 1964 brings the pixel density to about 254 pixels per inch, which is very sharp, and it also gets nice and bright. ProMotion technology gives you an adaptive refresh rate of up to 120 Hz, which is awesome. Definitely way better than 60 Hz. You get 3 M chips to choose from: the regular M3, the powerful M3 Pro, or the fastest M3 Max. It's crazy how the M3 Max is double the price of the standard M3 14-inch MacBook Pro, but you are getting a ton of performance benefits that is worth it if you plan on using graphic intensive apps. This M3 MacBook weighs 3.6 pounds, which is 1.1 pounds lighter than my 16-inch MacBook, and over time, it really makes a huge difference in portability and daily use. Having 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports is also a great feature, which you can further extend with Thunderbolt docks. I'm excited to try out this new M3 Max chip, which will definitely boost DaVinci Resolve's performance, and having it on a smaller form factor should make it more comfortable and easier to bring with me anywhere, like on my bed, sofa, or bathroom. Let me know what you guys think about the 14-inch MacBook Pro, and do you guys think going smaller is a better choice? If you are interested in getting this MacBook or the mini tech that you've seen in this video, I will have affiliate links down below, which also helps and supports the Firewolf Tech channel. I also want to thank you for sticking to the end of this video, and would also like to know your thoughts and feedbacks in the comments down below. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I will love your support with a like, share, and subscribe. Firewolf out.